Welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we are going to be discussed about the TreeSet class in Java. Java TreeSet class implements the first interface that uses a tree for storage. It inherits the abstract set class and implements the navigable set interface. The objects of the TreeSet class are stored in ascending order. Here you can see a diagram. Like first we have iteratable and collection, set, sort array, navigable, set, and tree. So tree always implements from navigable set. Then we will sort the navigable set, means it will extend, and then set is also extend from the sort set, and then collections, and then iteratable. So here's some important points about Java TreeSet classes. So Java TreeSet classes contains the unique implements only like hash set. It is access and retrieval times and quite fast, and it's maintain ascending order I just told you. So the you can see here the hierarchy of this TreeSet class. So Java TreeSet class implements the navigable set interface. The navigable set interface extend the sort, set, and then set, collections, and iteratable interface in hierarchical order. Now we just see the example of this tree set. Here we have the class name which is tree set, and I just import a library which is java.util, and then I just create the adding elements. So tree, set, and string, and then al is equal to new tree set and string, and brackets and close this code. Now al dot add, and add here is Fayaz. Then I just copy this one, and then I just change the name which is Khan, Joy, and Sarah. Now I just traversing these elements. So I iterator and string, and this is itr which is equal to al dot iterator. Okay, so here I just choose while loop, and while itr dot has next, and then system dot out dot println. So the println here is itr dot next. Okay, so this is iterator. So now we just check the output. So this is a semicolon here, and now I just define the main method here. So public static void main, and then string arguments. Okay, and here I just paste this one. So now I just check the output, and you can see we have the 4 add elements here. And first we just add the element here, means add al add. So I just create a object which is al, and then call the objects and give it the values here, and then iterator strings and create the object to itr here, and then I just write itr.has next, and then I will just print this while loop. So this is the output for our set tree method in set tree class in Java. So thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.